So I have a 2008 Toyota Camry hybrid, and I was looking for, the radio I had when I bought the car. It would like ask for navigation map. I bought it online, but it never worked. So I saw this other video on YouTube, and they told me to buy this guy, the RP4.2 TY11. That's for Toyotas. Um, and so I bought it. Like the guy has a video on YouTube showing how to do it, but it's kind of like you have to watch like 20,000 times because it's kind of weird. So this is what I got. I got this Benice radio that actually came with that guy, but it won't fit here, so I had to cut it to make it fit. I still have to do some more work. And so basically what you gotta do, so this guy, the RP4, comes with this bunch of harness. So this harness, you're gonna need one, like the main one you're gonna connect to your car harness, like it's the only one that fits. And then I disconnect this from the radio because it was a mess, so it's easier to work like this. So the RP4 straight to the car, and then this guy, and then the RP4 comes with this one that connects to your car. So this tiny guy will connect to the one that inputs in your vehicle. So remember this structure: one down there, RP4 in the middle, and the output goes to your radio, which is like here in the back somewhere. So, and the colors: green with the green, green black with the green black. Oh, sorry, green with the green, green black with green black, purple with purple. And the other guy on the video he made, he said blue and white to dark blue. So I'm doing that. I'll see what the outcome will be. Gray and black with gray and black. Basically just follow the color coded. And he also mentions that the orange goes straight to the orange and black, orange and white. So, and this is important. In this guy, the connector, connect to aftermarket radio. This is for the RP4. Basically, you're gonna get this guy here. It has like 3 black, 1 yellow, and 1 red. They're like pretty thick. You're gonna know, and they're gonna connect to the thick wire that goes to your radio. So basically it's gonna power your radio down there. So yeah, remember that part. And the connections here, there's this guy, there's the main one, and there is this one here. Yeah, so I'm gonna pause this video and make another one and see if it works. I'll let you know. Good luck. On the other video, the guy said to lift the pin number 4 and lift the rest down, but I realized, I don't know if this is broken, but I realized that it doesn't matter where they are. Like the sound will work, but it's kind of weird. So this is the interface when you power on, and I realized like I had a hard time to connect to Bluetooth at first, but I waited a few minutes, tried again, and it worked. So if you have like a hard time connecting to Bluetooth first, don't panic. Remember, this is how it's supposed to look. Connector 1 to your main one goes inside of the RP4 and comes out to your device.
You can go grab it, buy all the baggies, won't do no crabbing, long as you bragging.
So I'm almost done installing. You see, this is connected. This is connected here, and the radio. The radio works, but it's not gonna work because I'm recording this video. But yeah, it works. So this pink one, I didn't see where it goes yet. This one is for the backup camera. This green and white, I don't know where it goes because there's no green and white. But now you're in these three wires here from the MP4. Actually four wires. I guess there's nothing that goes in my car. I tried to connect these two pinks, but nothing happened. This pink with this pink, but nothing happened. Now I'm gonna see if I can make the steering wheel controls work with this. So wish me luck. So after connecting everything, this is my final result. Yep, it doesn't look as great because the frame they gave me, well, it says it's for this car, but it doesn't really fit. I had to cut the sides because after I installed this, it shifted up. So I cut it, but it won't fall when I drive, which is good. The sound works, and this works. Bluetooth works, the radio works after connecting the cable, but the Wi-Fi will connect, but for some reason I'm having trouble accessing the navigation because it won't connect with my Google account. I don't really know why. Yeah, and you see it's lower here, like I can still change the temperature, but it's kind of hanging off of it. And yeah, this is the Benice radio. What else you should know? Yeah, the radio per se works, the sound works. Yeah, I guess like what we did here would work for any other radio, like, to be honest. So if you can buy something that fits here, that would be great. And also the Benice guys, yeah, it took me a month just to get everything here in the US. So, well, good luck. I hope it helps. If you just want the music and the radio and the cell phone, that's good. But if you want the navigation and everything, yeah, maybe you should get another one. But yeah, and I put these guys in the back. That's for your Android phone. I haven't tried that yet, but yeah. All right, good luck. That's all. Peace and love. I forgot to mention that I wasn't able to connect the steering wheel controls. Maybe one day when I am in a good mood, I'm just gonna see if I can connect the wires. Yeah, because I don't know which one goes where. So yeah, that's all.